5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off to the moon. That's the feeling I received today when Dripto token and Shiba Inu became a thing. Pay with Shiba Inu and you can get drip with Shiba now right on the platform today. And I'm going to show you this right now. Now, this is the latest in the drip grill that got dropped. And this is the look. The Jordan 11 Space Jams. You got the Jordan 13 Flints and more. Every week, there is a new drop and you see Shiba Inu right in the payment area when you go to the Dripto.com checking area. Check this out right now and let's go through this right now. My name is Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. This is what it looks like. This is the drip grail. So if you're new to Dripto, all you have to do, you need to own at least 50,000 Dripto tokens inside your wallet. It says so right here to be access to the tier 1 50,000 Dripto held in your wallet. Then you be access to this weekly drop of Dripto. And look at these nice items, including these Jordans 11 Retro Space. I still see a size available. You can get this with Shiba today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now, Dripto has been working hard behind the scenes, not only with adoption and partnership, integration, and community base, and making sure this is something that people actually want. Now, when they dropped this today, I looked at my left eye and I looked at my right eye and I saw Shiba right there. Now, they've already included Ethereum, USDT, USDC, Cult DAO, and Volt Inu. Now you got Shiba Inu. You can actually purchase really exclusive merchandise, streetwear that looks just like this. So click on the link below, learn more about it, pick up some Shiba, and by the way, you may want to pick up some Dripto as well for you to be access to this great utility for both Dripto and Shiba Inu, the Dripto Grails. You should take a look at it right now. My name is Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. At the bottom left, check out that video. I really believe you'll like it. I'm going to stare at these shoes just for a minute. I'll be there in a couple of seconds. I'll see you there.